How to make a woman to fall in love with you. Number one, give her attention. You guys, my guys, the first thing that a man should always do whenever he is learning on how to make a woman to fall in love with him is to give her the right amount of attention that she deserves. Guys, my guys, I don't mean that you should drop all of your commitments and give her all the attention all the time. No, make sure you create some time for her. Make sure you always try to reach her out via calls or via text messages, or even if you really want to see her in person, make sure you give her all the attention. This will really make you attractive, and women love attention. So if you give her the attention, she will really find you irresistible. And don't give her much of your time, because this is another way of making a woman to get bored of you so quickly. So make sure you don't give her all of your time and don't be always available. Just create time for her. If you really want her to fall in love with you, make some time for her. And guys, my guys, you should never lose yourself on a woman, because you don't want to make her feel like you are taking things fast. So if you are learning on how to make a woman to fall in love with you, make sure you take things slow and gentle. If you do this, you will notice that she will start to give you attention. She will start to reciprocate. If you are always trying to reach her out, she will start to reach you out, because she finds you very, very attractive and she wants more to do with you. So as a man, you should be able to play your cards right and make sure every time you communicate with her, make sure to keep the conversation so interesting. You should find a topic that you know very well that will keep her interested. And this is the first thing that you should always do when you are learning on how to make a woman fall in love. Make sure to give her all the attention that she deserves. Number two, always look good. You guys, my guys, another thing you need to do if you are learning on how to make a woman fall in love with you is to look good. I don't mean you need to look perfect, but look desirable and presentable, because the first look is always so important to a woman. If you appeared on a date well dressed, well groomed, smelling nice, and this will really make you more attractive. Number three, believe in yourself. You guys, my guys, another thing you need to do if you are learning on how to make a woman to fall in love with you is to believe in yourself, believe in your life, and believe in your abilities and capabilities. Because if you don't believe in yourself, no woman will always believe in you. So make sure you believe in yourself, trust yourself in everything that you do. Never show your weak side, especially if you are making a woman to fall in love with you. Never show her your weak points. Never show any form of, jealousy, because she will know that you are weak. So if you are learning on how to make a woman to fall in love with you, is not to show her your weak side, especially if she is having guys that are having eyes on her. This will make you even more attractive, because she will be attracted to you naturally, because you believe in yourself and you don't need validations to prove who you are. Or you can talk to a woman about your insecurities, about what you like and what you dislike. If she is an understanding woman, she will understand you and she will, draw the line where it is supposed to end. And this is another thing that you need to figure out whenever you are learning on how to make a woman to fall in love with you. Number four, treat her like you are a woman. Again, you guys, my guys, if you are learning on how to make a woman to fall in love with you, you should be able to, take responsibility. You should be able to have the qualities of a boyfriend, because no one wants to fall in love with a person that don't care about relationships. Make sure to be protective whenever you are out with her or whenever you are around with her, because nothing is more attractive than having a protective boyfriend, because this will always make you to feel comfortable around him and always feel safe and secure around him. So guys, my guys, another thing you need to do is to treat her like your woman. Make her feel safe, treat her like a princess, make her feel loved and valued in a relationship. If you do this, she will automatically fall in love with you. As a man, you need to take care of her needs. Always show up whenever she needs any kind of help. If you do this, she will find you really attractive and she will be in love with you even before she realizes it. Make sure to always make plans together and always catch up with her often, because this is another thing that you need to consider whenever you are trying to make a woman to fall in love with you. Make sure that you show up for her because you don't want to disappoint her. Number 5, give her something that will remind her of you. You guys, my guys, this is another thing that a man should always consider whenever trying to make a woman to fall in love. You should always gift her with something that will always remind her of you. Whether a bracelet, you can gift her, your favorite thing. You can surprise her with flowers, and this will always make her to think of you all the time, because if she sees that thing, she will always have you in mind. And this will be an interesting way to make her fall in love with you if you give her something that will remind her of you. Number 6, love yourself. You guys, my guys, another thing you need to do whenever trying to make a woman to fall in love with you is to love yourself, because if you don't love yourself enough, nobody else will. So you should normalize on loving yourself first. Putting yourself first is not selfish. This is a priority for you. Make sure you put yourself first and always show up for yourself before showing up to others. If you do this, you will attract the kind of the woman you are looking for, because you love yourself. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and see you next time in the next video.